It's time for Marry Me Monday, the fun, timely, sometimes romantic, sometimes spirited live radio program with your hosts Jeff Dorsey and Sherry Bussey, presented by Emerald City Jewelers, 33rd and Broadway, Quincy.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another edition of Marry Me Monday, and we hope your day's off to a fabulous start. Sherry Bussey's here with us this morning from Emerald City Jewelers. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
First chance I've had to wish you a Happy New Year.
Well, thank you.
And
Happy New Year to you too, Jeff.
if somebody wants to buy a nice piece of jewelry, and you've got plenty of them available at your store.
Yep, at Emerald City Jewelers. There's one of the things I want to talk a little bit about today is it's a new year, time to get a fresh start. Look at your rings. See if you think you need any prong work, or if you don't know, bring it to us and we'll tell you, because as you wear your rings, your prongs wear down. And then 7 years, mine was worn enough that I needed to have it re-tipped. And now the styles are such that the stones are much, much smaller in the bands. They're like little tiny stones that are set with even smaller prongs. And those prongs don't last near as long. So you might have to have regular maintenance done to your ring within maybe 2 or 3 years of getting an engagement ring or a wedding ring. So that's just the way the style is.
And you don't want to look down there and look down and realize that you lost your stone someplace.
Right.
That's
or
good.
a little side stone. Those things come out a lot. If you have a thin ring and it bends, sometimes the bending makes the prong shift a little bit to make it so that the stones pop out. So
Doesn't take a lot, does it?
no, bring it by and we'll check every stone and make sure they're tight for you. And if they do need to be tightened, then we can do that for you. We don't have to send it away. We do it right here in the store.
Okay. And we're into January, which means not too far down the road is Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day. Nice way to ring in the new year. Just get engaged.
Yeah, well, that or whatever else for that matter. But don't forget about Valentine's Day. Get it done early, I guess.
Get it done early. Yes, we do our promotion every year where if you spend $99 or more, you get a box of chocolates and dinner for your Valentine and a flower.
Perfect.
Yeah. So
And you can take advantage of that now, right? You don't have to wait.
well, yeah.
No, I mean you qualify for that now.
Yes, you qualify. You might want to wait to get your gifts right close to Valentine's Day because a flower's not going to look so great.
Yeah. Really, browse around. You've got so many options that are in that store.
Yeah, we do. We have a lot of different price ranges. And people that have bought your bids for bargains things and all that, they come in. A lot of times they're new customers. They haven't ever shopped with us before, but they feel like maybe they need to have a coupon or something to come into our store. They find out there's a lot of choices in the price range that they want to be in. And so we do have jewelry for every occasion, every price range, and every age group. So if you think about it and you have a chance to buy a piece of jewelry for somebody or for yourself, accessorizing is an important part of how you dress. It tells a little bit about your personality, whether you have, pierced ear, pierced nose, pierced eyebrow, any of that stuff. It's your personality, and you might want to have some decoration there. So,
and if you got a sports fan in the family, you got those watches that are available too.
Oh yeah, we do. We've sold several of those. The Cubs and Cardinals.
Well, it's a big Cubs and Cardinal area.
It is.
So if you got that
even in the
person,
same family, different teams.
across the dinner table probably. But it's available at Emerald City Jewelers, so check that out when you're in there. You want to get the story here?
Sure, let's get a story.
It says, on Christmas Eve, I thought we were going to get our customized Christmas bulb together, which we have done the past 2 years. After we picked it up, we went and walked to my house, and along the way, we passed a church, and it was there that he asked me to open the box, and there was this ornament that said, "Will you marry me?" on it. He then got down on one knee and asked me to marry him, and of course I said yes, right in front of a church too.
Well, there you go.
Which is pretty cool. So that's kind of nice. Thanks, Courtney, for sending that in to us. We appreciate that. And Courtney's going to get a nice gift certificate from Emerald City Jewelers, and you will likewise if you send us a story that we use on the next edition of Marry Me Monday.
And a Marry Me Monday t-shirt.
That's right. Forgot about the t-shirt part. Yep. All right. Emerald City Jewelers, located where?
We're at the corner of 33rd and Broadway under the Emerald Green roof across from the main entrance of the mall.
Okay, and you're open from when to when?
9:30 to 5:30, Monday through Friday. Saturdays, 9:30 to 3.
And you...
Gift wrap.
There you go, no matter
Anytime,
what the occasion.
Yeah.
Sherry, good to see you again.
Good to see you.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
We'll see you next week, okay?
Okay.
That's it for this week's edition of Marry Me Monday, presented by Emerald City Jewelers. Join us next week, Monday, 7:25, for another exciting edition of Marry Me Monday. Celebrate your love.